Hello, this is Ryan, and I'm going to go over my simple project management tool on my portfolio website. This is the most advanced application you can play with. As far as the most advanced applications I have released, that would definitely go to Lake Havasu houseboats, but that's besides the point. I will dive into this. So there's two different parts to this tool. The first one is the front end tool where you can actually manage the front end on the website, and then there's also an API tool where you can manage and get all the information from the project management tool and all the tasks from on an API. So here's how it kind of works. You have a project, and then inside of those project, there's other tasks. So right here, we have a project, and then inside of this project, I have three tasks. And if you can see, I have one, two, and three, and you can actually link them however you need to. So like on this one, in order to do two, you have to do one. In order to do three, you have to have one and two done. I mean, I could have done it more straightforward if you wanted to, because you could have just linked them in order, but I just wanted to show that you can kind of go around and do that. What you can add new tasks, you can view a calendar for the project. So let's say we want to know what's going on with the dates on this project. You can actually see a calendar here where one starts today, September 22nd, ends on the 29th, and then two starts that same day. Then when two ends, three starts. You can also add a new task here by entering this information. All you need is the task number, which matters. You need the name, you, a status, the priority, who's it's being assigned to, the dates, whatever the previous task, which helps link it to the other task. You can add in a description and comments. A note about the description is it uses markdown text, so you can actually make it to where it looks nice like this pretty easily right here in the add task or edit task. Um, if we go back to the project, we can go back to projects here, and you can actually, there's a calendar for all of the projects. So you can see like this one starts when the first task starts, and it ends when the last task ends, which I didn't show, but it would be on the 14th of October. And that's pretty much the front end tool. What the API allows you to do is get all the same information. So if we go into the project/API/projects, we can see all of the different task information for the project we were just looking at, and we can actually go in here and do /1, and it'll take us to that individual project rather than showing all of them, which looks the same because there's only one project. You can hit options here, and you can see information about the different payloads and responses and how to work through it for each app. So right now we're in the projects, but if we go to here like tasks, you'll get a different set of options. So where we're at right now is we're in project one, which is, let's just go back real quick so I can clarify this. So there's the first project that we were working on and had three tasks in it. So if we want to look at the task list itself, you can go to task here, and all of this is covered in the project page right here. It shows all the API endpoints and how to use them if you want to kind of go over them. And then when you're on a page, you can hit options and it'll give you more information. So let's hit get again. And in this page, we'll be able to see all the different projects and if we want, or task in the project, I mean. And then if we want to go to a different task, we can put that number up here at the top and it'll bring us the individual task and we can actually update the task right here. So let's say we want to update the description to say description updated. We hit put and now it shows description updated here. And if we go into this first one, it'll show the description updated there. So this backend API allows you to update the data from anywhere so that you can update what's actually on your front end page. So I kind of wanted to show the interaction of the tool and the API. And that's everything that the tool pretty much does. It just allows you to easily manage projects and into tasks and assign people, and you can make it a lot more advanced. You can have it to where it keeps track of updates in the background. You can have it to where there's links and things. This is just a simple tool to display some of the things that I can do. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate your time.